Hello, this is Unbox with Chad and I'm here to do a quick review of Power Rangers Lightning Collection Lord Draken. This is really nice. You see the figure at front with an awesome artwork and a cool product image at the back. Okay guys, simulan natin sa mga accessories. We have an alternate head, the Dragon Dagger, two alternate hands, and the blast effect. Eto na, ang ganda. Sobrang angas ng figure na to. Kitang-kita yung pinagsamang Ranger suits na green and white. So makikita dito na fully articulated siya. The head is on a ball joint. There is a butterfly joint. Wrist swivel. Upper torso swivel, ab crunch. By the way, if you enjoy contents like this, please do click on like and subscribe. Double jointed knees and ankle hinge. Mind you, Lord Draken is Tommy Oliver as well, from another universe. However, he remained evil, decided to kill other Rangers, and became a ruler. For size comparison, here he is with Funko Pop Red Zeo Ranger, with McFarlane Keaton Batman, and Masterpiece Nemesis Prime. Siyempre, kailangan subukan rin. Ang ganda ng head sculpt ni JDF dito. Kuwang-kuha, may scars at veins pa. So this is a comics character. Fortunately, JDF was able to reprise the role on a short video which can be streamed online. So for me, itong Power Rangers Lightning Collection Lord Draken ay talaga namang ayos!